this video, I want to talk about how you can join Trading 212. Now you can use your mobile and download the app, or you can head over to trading212.com, and inside of here, all you simply have to do is press Open Account. Once you've done this, you're now gonna select your country of residence, press Next, choose if you want Invest or CFD account. You might also be able to choose crypto one if it's available. Otherwise, you have to make one of these first, and then you can open crypto later. Select it, type in your email, and after that you want to type in the password, agree, and then you can simply create the account. Now once your account is created, what you want to do is you just want to log into it, and then you have to confirm your account, which means you need to provide some ID, you need to validate it. So you need to send in your ID, and you also have to show some kind of like where you live. You need to provide some sort of proof of address, and once you've done that, your account is now verified. What that means is you can now withdraw and deposit money, and then you can start investing. Now, just with this account that you make here without sending in your ID and stuff, you can still open a demo account where you can invest with fake money if you just want to try. So that's basically how it works, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.